Welcome to the FemPrepper channel, where women come to get information to be more prepared. In today's video, I'll go over Maxpedition's Ziphook Pocket Organizer. I found these on their website as a different option for a pocket organizer. They normally have a different option that is a bit more popular, and I didn't really see too many videos explaining these particular pocket organizers. So I thought I'd do a video to give you a few options that might serve you a bit better than the other one. So the material of these pocket organizers are a 1050 denier water and abrasion resistant lightweight ballistic nylon fabric. More or less, they're very durable. They also have YKK zippers that the more you use these type of zippers, the easier they become. When you first get the pocket organizer, they can be a bit rigid as far as trying to get the zippers open and closed, but the more you use them, they become a lot easier and a lot more seasoned. Fabric is also treated with a Teflon protector, which will help to keep it a bit clean. So I'll go over the dimensions of the different sizes. We have the extra large, which is this one right here. We have the extra large with an overall dimension of length 5.5 inches, width 2 inches, height 8.5 inches. We also have the main compartment, which has dimensions of length 5.5 inches, width 1.5 inches, and height 8.5 inches. We also have the small compartment, which has dimensions of length 5.5 inches, width 0.5 inches, and a height of 7.5 inches. We also have the large, and the dimensions for the large is overall, the length is 5.25 inches, the width is 2 inches, and the height is 8 inches. We have the main compartment, which has dimensions of length 5.25 inches, width 1.25 inches, and height of 8 inches. We also have the small compartment, which has a length of 5.25 inches, a width of 0.5 inches, and a height of 7 inches. We also have the medium, which the dimensions for the medium overall is length 5 inches, width 1.75 inches, and a height of 7 inches. We have the main compartment, which has dimensions of length 5 inches, width 1.25 inches, and height of 7 inches. We also have the smaller compartment, which has dimensions of length 5 inches, width 0.5 inches, and height 6.25 inches. We also have their small size. The overall dimensions are length 4.5 inches, width 1.5 inches, height 6.5 inches. The main compartment has dimensions of length 4.5 inches, width 1 inch, height 6.5 inches. The smaller compartment has dimensions of length 4.5 inches, width 0.5 inches and height 5.5 inches. They also come in a variety of different colors. We have the black option here, we have the wolf gray option here, and we have a khaki color here. They also come in two different types of greens. They have a lighter green and a darker green option. And I believe they have two gray options as well. I also have a strap right here, which is actually just off of a luggage. And if you notice on the back of the pocket organizer, it has two loops that you could attach to. You can also use this loop right here, which is actually a hook. You can hang it up on a tree if you're out camping, or you can attach it to a backpack. So it's pretty versatile. You can even use the hooks back here to hook the strap on and make it kind of a purse for you. I'm not sure how stylish this purse would be, but it will definitely have everything you need to survive. So let's go over the inside of each of these pocket organizers. So starting with our extra large option, this one has the main compartment. It has space right here in the back for possibly paper or some type of plastic sheeting or emergency blanket you can keep there. It also has straps here and here, which this one seems to be a larger strap. It also has two straps in the front of it, and then this side has a strap in front and another small strap, which could be used for a number of different items. On this side, it has a zipper compartment, maybe to keep your money in or things that are a bit more valuable. It also has the same webbing structure on this side as on the other side, where it has this larger one and this smaller one next to it. It has these two compartments in front of this large one, and then these two compartments in front of this one right here. You can also stretch it out and you can put a good amount of stuff in here. It also has molly webbing on the back. And if you notice on the inside of the main compartment, you have it to where you can pull headphones out to listen to music or to listen to radio while you're out and about. The smaller compartment has a flap right here to put items in addition to a hook. It also has two large webbing options, and then the larger options have two smaller options on it. There's no compartment in the back of this. It also has the hook and loop options to add any type of patches you want, and it looks like it has enough hook and loop to add multiple patches. This one is a pretty big option, but you can store a lot of stuff in there. The large is the one that I'm currently using, and I'm sure you can tell this one is a bit more seasoned. The zippers are much easier to open and close. And we'll start off in the back compartment, which is the main compartment. It has a little pocket back here. It also has the same type of webbing as the larger one with the 2 in the back, and this larger one has 2 webbing options, and then this side has 2 webbing options as well. And on the other side, it has another zipper compartment, and it has the same type of webbing on this side. The front compartment also has the flap on the side with the hook. I normally like to put a whistle there just to have. And it also has the same type of webbing as the previous one. That's the large. Here is the medium. And all of them have moly webbing on the back, and all of them have this hook, and all of them have these loops to add some type of strap to it. So we'll start with the back. We have this compartment. In addition to the webbing is a bit different in this one. We have the large webbing here and a smaller webbing right here. But if you notice on this side, there's only 1 webbing, whereas the previous 2 had 2 compartments here. We still have the 2 compartments here on the larger webbing. And this one also has the same type of setup on the other side, where it has the larger one in the back. This one is a bit smaller. And then it has these 2 here and only 1. And it also has the zipper compartment as well. The smaller compartment also has a compartment right here. And it has the 2 webbing, larger webbing right here. And it has the 2 smaller webbings on each of the large ones. And this one is the medium. And we also have the small option. The small option has, keep in mind that all of them have this option to pull the headphones through the back. This one also has the compartment in the back with the 2 webbing. This one being the largest webbing, with these 2 smaller webbing here and 1 webbing on this side. And it has the same setup on this side. With a zipper compartment. And the smaller compartment also has a hook and a compartment here, 2 webbing here, 2 webbing on the front of these as well. So I'll give you a look at the back of all of them. And if you notice, they all have the moly attachment options, and they all have the opening for the headphones to come out of each one. The loops and the hook for each one. And they all have the hook and loop to add your patches to it. And I'll show you what it looks like to add a strap to it. go. Not bad. Not a bad option, especially for us women that want to go hands-free. And there you have it, the Maxpedition Zip and Hook Pocket Organizers. The size options are, again, extra large, large, medium, and small. In the comments below, let me know if you have any of these types of pocket organizers, and if so, what type of items do you keep in them? Or you can let me know if this video has inspired you to purchase one. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.